Hello guys, let's do some analysis. So first we're gonna set up our charts. We're gonna use the trend lines and support lines. Great. Now what are we looking for here? We have a trend line that is about to be touched now. We are looking for a break on that trend line, and we're gonna go along, or we are looking for a bearish candle to tell us that the trend line has been retraced. Now, the trend line has been broken and has been retested by this pin bar. Now, we place our trade. I hope you get it up to this point. We have a broken trend line. There's no signal that we are going up until we had a retest here with this pin bar. And that's when you realize you need to start buying. Our resistance line has been broken strongly by this big candle. What do you expect the market will go? Obviously the market will start going up, right? So we place our buy trade. And of course we want to wrap it up with Fibonacci. So our 50% zone has been touched, and now how do we get a signal from Fibonacci? Basically, when we leave out of the 50% zone, we are gonna be trading down and down until the market goes back to zero. There we go. The market has left the 50% zone, and we have our trade inside. And now we just wait for the market to go down to the 0% zone, and that's when our trade is complete. So that's a good trading with the trend, and that's how you do it. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe to this video, and if you still don't have an account, use the link in the description to create your account. Thank you guys for watching again.